how to fix Android phone app not installed problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can fix on Android phone the problem of app not installing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you downloaded the app from a third-party website that is with the APK file, most likely the problem is going to exist, because if you go to installation files over here, you have some of the APK files, and when you try to install this file it will simply tell you that the app is not installed. This happens because there is most likely a problem with this APK file. So I always recommend you try to download from Google Play Store, which is the official source and the in-house for all of the applications on your Android smartphone. And after that, what you can try to do is to simply go ahead and open up your Play Store, let's say, and if you're not being able to download apps, just try to uninstall them and reinstall them again. Make sure you have enough storage on your device as well. Open up settings and then you want to go to the option called, let's say, memory or battery and device care. Here you can go to storage and check whether or not you have enough storage on your Android smartphone as well. And after that, you can also try to actually go ahead and restart the device by pressing the volume button as well as the power buttons together. In my case, it's volume down and power key. So depending upon your device, go ahead and restart your Android smartphone and see if that solves your problem or not. If not, last but not the least, also simply try to check your internet connection. If you're using mobile data, try to switch to Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to mobile data and see if the problem persists. Hopefully one of these may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.